Introducing Balitahan, Bridelia glauca of the family Phyllantaceae. Balitahan is a small tree with a diameter of about 30 centimeters and a cylindrical bole and no matrices. It occurs in dipterocarp forest at low and medium elevations up to 800 meters. It has a greenish and smooth bark. Balitahan has leaves with alternate oval or oblong shapes, 6 to 8 centimeters wide and 15 to 17 centimeters long, with an acuminate apex, rounded base, papery texture, and both faces glabrous. The lower face has a glaucous bloom. Balitahan is used as an ornamental plant in gardens and parks. It is also used as a cover crop to reduce soil erosion and to improve soil fertility.